What's up, guys? It's PDP, aka Roy the Great. Just want to give a quick shout out over to Super Games, bro. Matt, man, thank you so much for the clean ass shirt. Definitely will be rocking it. All kinds of Super Games, bro. OHP tonight, definitely solid night. Kind of got winded on the last set, but other than that, guys, here's the clip. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all the support. Also, Matt's link will be down in the description box. Go ahead and check him out. But other than that, I really do appreciate all the support. Till next time, guys. Later.
Turn out the lights in here, baby. Extra bright, I want y'all to see this. Turn out the lights in here, baby. You know what I need. Want you to see everything. Want you to see all of the light.